everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am here to do a quick unpackaging of some hair that I received. It is crochet passion twist. It's already twisted and ready to go. This hair is from Toyo Hair. I feel like I'm saying that wrong, but I'm going to put their name across the screen, and it is a company off of Amazon. And so this is how it comes packaged. It is the Tiana Passion Twist. It says 100% handmade, every braid made by a professional braider. And I have it in the color 1B. Oops. So first thing I see that fell out of the package, it comes with a latch hook crochet needle and a little package. This little pack here has rubber bands and hair jewels in it. So this is how it comes packaged. Oh, just looking at the ends of these, I can tell that I like them better than the Passion Twist hair that I've seen in beauty supply stores for crochet. And this is what the back of the card looks like. It just says Tiana Passion Twist, every braid made by a professional braider. And this is the young lady with it on. So inside the pack it comes with 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs of the hair here. This is what these look like outside of the pack. I think I like them, but I know that I like them 100% better than the Crochet Passion Twist hair that I've been seeing in the local beauty supplies. The crochet hair in the local beauty supply, the hair is straight twist and then it just goes into the curl, and it doesn't really look like the original Passion Twist that Boho Babe came out with. And if you don't know who Boho Babe is, make sure you guys check her out. I'm going to leave her information down below too, because hey, she created this awesome style. Why not? So now they're available in crochet hair, and I just love them. That's what it looks like. I think these look more realistic compared to the other ones that I've seen. Let's get into how many is on each pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So each pack has 11, and I have 7 packs, so it's 77 twists. I doubt if I use all 77 because I'm shaved all the way around. And on me, being that I have myself shaved all the way around, this is, let's see, this is where my hair starts. So this is about where they would land on me. And then my back is above my bra strap. Bring it around, it would hang like that. That's kind of the length that I like. So in the comment sections below, let me know if you guys like these better than the Janet Collection or any other brand that you've seen in your local beauty supplies of the Crochet Passion Twist hair. Like I said, this is the 1B. Look at those ends. Look at that. Look at that. I just love that. So yeah, so the ends of these looks like the actual Passion Twist that I have done for clients and that I've seen the Boho Babe, shout out to her for creating and coming up with this style. And I've been installing regular Passion Twist on clients since she first posted. So yeah, it is from a company called Toyo Hair. I'm pretty convinced with myself that that's the name. If not, you can see it flash across the screen. I'm going to leave the link so where you can check out this hair on Amazon and get you some. But yeah, I definitely love these. So yeah, thank you guys for checking out the video. Make sure y'all would check out my next video, which will be me installing these babies. And in the comment section, let me know if you guys want to see me install them traditional crochet style, or if you would like to see me do them individual. I'm almost 99% sure that I want to do at least the outer 2 rows in individual crochets, and then do my inside traditional crochets. So yeah, but let me know in the comment section what y'all think I should do.